Hi everyone, let's talk about quantum superposition and Schrodinger's cat thought experiment. To give some background, many prominent scientists developed what is known as the Copenhagen interpretation of quantum mechanics. This interpretation says that quantum mechanics is fundamentally indeterministic and probabilistic by nature. This led to the idea of quantum superposition, a fundamental principle of quantum mechanics that says linear combinations of solutions to the Schrodinger equation are also solutions themselves to the Schrodinger equation. More simply put, quantum superposition is that a quantum object is in all of its states until we measure or observe the system. Then it is forced into a single state. An example of using quantum superposition are qubits, the basic unit for quantum information used in quantum computing. Basically, what makes qubits special and useful in quantum information processing is that instead of just being a 1 or a 0 like an ordinary bit, a qubit can be both, or in a superposition of its states. When this idea was introduced, many physicists did not like the idea of the universe being probabilistic, as Albert Einstein famously quoted, "God doesn't play dice." Trying to critique the Copenhagen interpretation, physicist Erwin Schrödinger created his paradoxical thought experiment called Schrödinger's cat. So let's explain this thought experiment. Imagine the scenario where a cat is inside a box where there is a vial of poison, a radiation monitor, and some kind of subatomic particle meant to work as the superposition part of the experiment. If the radiation monitor detects the particle in a certain state, such as if it decays or not, it will drop a hammer onto the vial. Then the vial poison will break, and as a result, the cat will die. So, if the particle is in state 1, the cat will live, and if the particle is in a second state, the cat will die. Now, this is where the paradox comes in. Introduce an observer to the experiment. Until the observer looks into the box, the cat must be both dead and alive according to quantum superposition. But then once the observer looks into the box, the cat will have to be in a single state, such as dead or alive. The Schrodinger's cat thought experiment was meant to discredit the Copenhagen interpretation, but it ended up becoming a part of the foundation of quantum mechanics.